Okay, you've got a copy of your code set up now, but now it's time for you to get your database. Assume that you installed Postgres correctly and you use Postgres as your password. A couple ways to do it. One is just to run pgadmin and open up pgadmin here, and you'll use the Postgres username and password and create a database and name it the same thing that you're going to name the database in your env file as discussed in the guide. Whatever you name your database. So you can create a brand new database and just make sure it matches the same name as you put in your env file. If you use Choco or Brew to install Postgres, you probably just have the command line tools. You might not have pgadmin if you've installed using this and not the downloaded installer from from Postgres with all the extra tools. That's fine. There's no big deal. You just need to learn the console commands: create database blank, semicolon. Just Google it. The commands are super simple, and you'll just run PSQL. Have this problem that if you try to run PSQL to create the database, you'll have a problem that your current username isn't the Postgres. So you can sudo and then switch, say, I am now the user Postgres. So you could try to switch to that account and then run Postgres and then attempt to do things that way. That's one possibility. There's a bunch of ways you can Google and solve the problem. But it is totally possible to use the console command or pgadmin. You just need to make sure that it all lines up with the environmental variables, the username and password you're using, and the database that you've created.